Hello guys, I welcome you to the current affairs session for 7 November 2019, and one GK session is already been started, top 10 GK session, and the link for the same I am giving in the description below. Also listen this video very carefully till the end, because one question is asked at the end of the video for which you need to comment your answer. Okay, so do subscribe this channel and share with your friends. So let's start today's session. First, the theme of the 5th India International Science Festival IISF is Rise in India. Okay, Rise in India. The Ministry of Shipping is hosting the first ever BIMSTEC, that is Bay of Bengal initiative for multisectoral technical and economic cooperation Ports Conclave at Visakhapatnam, November 7 and November 8, 2019. This is the first ever BIMSTEC Ports Conclave at Visakhapatnam. Next, Anand has been selected for the 27th Ijuthasan Puruskaram 2019. Okay. Next, Neeraj Sharma, Indian origin researcher, has won the Australian government's Early Career Researcher of the Year 2019. So, Neeraj Sharma, Indian origin researcher. Okay. He won Early Career Researcher of the Year 2019 award of Australian government. Next, IIT Madras has launched Arise A standing wheelchair for disabled. Arise A standing wheelchair for disabled by IIT Madras. Asian Development Bank is to provide a $451 million loan to strengthen the power connectivity between southern and northern parts of the Chennai and Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor (CKIC) in Tamil Nadu. Next, Indian Railways introduced Uttam Rake. What is that? Uttam Rake in its inaugural run as ladies special local train from Churchgate to Virar on the occasion of 69th Foundation Day of Western Railway on 5th November 2019. Uttam Rake. Next, Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal attended the inaugural program of Brahmaputra Pushkar and Sanskritik Mahotsav 2019. Brahmaputra Pushkar and Sanskritik Mahotsav 2019 as a chief guest, and highlighted the river Brahmaputra's important role in Assam's social-cultural life on Tuesday. The Mahotsav is organized at Sonaram High School Field at Bharalumukh. Next, the All Assam Students Union (ASU) paid tribute to Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhupen Hazarika on his 8th death anniversary. ASU organized the program to pay tribute to late Dr. Hazarika by lighting a total of 10,000 lamps in Digholi Pukhuri. Okay, so guys, these are the most important and selected current affairs for today. Now coming to today's question from last class, and today's question is: the National Tribal Festival, that is NTF 2019, is being held in which city? Option A, Pune. Option B, Guwahati. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, none of the above. So you need to comment your answer and I will respond to those comments. Okay, so meet you tomorrow in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.